lady going to the grinding mill in front of us. Look at that. It's heavy.
Got great balance.
Yeah.
Wow.
She's got maize in there, corn. Alright, so we are at that place I was talking about.
Wood shop or a lunch?
Wood shop.
Video and welcome to the artist shop. Yes, our name. My name is Mashonga. My name is Mashonga, but our name, we are the Big Five Pop. My name is Mashonga, and we are the Big Five Pop with a nice red billboard there. Nice red billboard, the Big Five Pop Cooperative. Right, what we are doing here, we are carving wood. You are allowed to take videos, photos, and so on and so on. Even if you want to take this short brief, I'm going to give you just short brief so that you can have your learning and discovery. Right? What we are doing here, we are carving wood. We are specialized in making African animals. Right? As you see these logs here, they just arrived yesterday. We go to the rural areas, about 200 kilometers. A town called Wange, there's some rural areas there. We go there, we buy dead wood. As you see, this wood is already dead. Then we buy dead wood from the residents there, of the communal lands there. Then we hire trucks, transport the wood here. Like this, we hire the truck, we brought this yesterday. So when we bring the wood here, we cut the wood according to the size of piece that we want to make. We use hand saw to cut the wood, right? So after we cut the wood according to the sizes, you see this guy is called chole chole. You can come nearer. Come just near. This guy is chole chole. Right? After we cut the wood, this is the first stage. Right? This is a shaping stage. Here he is shaping a rhino. He's shaping a rhinoceros. So we use these two for shaping. So this is the first stage. Nothing else is surpass this stage. Right? So these two, we call it mbezo in our language. Mbezo, yes. Then after this stage, it is a shaped piece with some legs and everything, right? Like this. When you come to this stage, you see now this stage with a leg, but this is an elephant, it's not a rhino. So after this stage, then we go to the grinding stage. If you can look, there's that guy who is grinding there. You see that guy what he's doing? That one is making a lot of dust. I'm sorry, unfortunately we work with a lot of dust. So when you come to the artist, expect to jump on top of wood, you see some dust blowing, right? So that's the third stage. It's grinding. Some machines are just for finishing. When it is finished, it comes to this stage. You see? After that stage, we use those small machines to make it like this. So this rhino will come to this stage. This is the last and final stage. Then after this, we polish, we sand it. Right? So we use different types of wood. Muka, mahogany, teak, olive wood, etc. etc. So from now onward, I want to free you. You are going to move around there. We shall see some other guys working with small machines. Right? You are going to see some of the stuff which are on display. You are free if you wish to buy anything. That's one is up to you. Feel free to do that. So you can go around everywhere, talk to the artist. What type of wood is it? Feel free now. In your shopping. Yes. Thank you.
Awesome. That is weird. What type of wood is this?
What?
What type of wood?
It's the mahogany. Mahogany.
Mahogany?
Mahogany.
It looks weird. Mahogany? Really? It's naturally all these colors? Like the red and the yellow?
Yeah.
That's natural?
Yeah.
That's the machine. Yes.
7,000 for the elephant? Oh, well, it's worth it. Wow. Awesome.
It's beautiful, huh?
Yeah, it's beautiful. And I guess they have some fun. They have some drinks. Wow. I wonder if they actually... No, they wouldn't live here. Look at all the giraffes. Oh, she's making balls. Hello, what are you making? Oh, for the chess? Oh, wow, the squares. Oh, interesting. Let me see where I can find that. Thank you. Oh my God. It looks chaotic, but it's organized actually. Everybody has their job. That's a chessboard. Beautiful balls. To keep it steady so you can carve it. Look at this piece. I think they're using the natural shape of the wood to bring out the animals. Look at the hippo. Oh my God, that's awesome. Look at that crocodile. Hello? Wow. Animals in all stages. This poor elephant is missing a leg. Oops. He did something. Wow. Hi. That's a big piece.
Yes, the big five.
It's a big five, huh?
Yes.
What happens if you make a mistake?
Yes, these are elephant,
Elephant,
lion,
lion,
leopard,
leopard,
buffalo,
buffalo, and rhino. Yay! That's gorgeous. What kind of wood? Hmm?
Sorry?
What kind of wood?
This is the ironwood.
Ironwood.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Ironwood.
Oh, wonderful. That's hard. Thank you. And from all that, the finished product. Look at that.
You put something on top of the plate? Maybe for a small chess,
How
for
much?
kids.
How much for this one?
The chess,
Yeah,
I can make it $30 for you.
$30.
$30.
That's okay.
Where we are staying here, the location, we are staying right near. But our homes, I mean rural areas, we come from different places. Some 200 kilometers, some 400 kilometers. We came here because we are the artists. And the Big Falls is a place of tourists.
Aw.
As you see, come to see us here.
Yeah, so this is like an artist community,
Yeah,
right?
this is an artist community.
Do
Yes.
you guys live together?
This is an artist community.
Yeah, but do you also live together at night? You know, do you have like special places where you
No,
go?
it's like each one, everyone is living at this house.
Different. And what time do you come here in the morning?
We come here at around 6 o'clock. Sometimes we work 24 hours.
Oh,
24/7.
really?
Yes.
You have light at night and
Yeah, we have
you
light.
keep working?
That's why you see one light at night.
Oh my God, that's awesome. So you know, people can come and go. You know, like sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work, or
Yes, yes. Sometimes they work, sometimes it depends. If you are tired, you can rest.
so. When you sell something here, you're going to give money to the people that do the carving?
Yes, you mean?
You split the money?
Yeah. We do that, yes.
Yeah.
Let's say I sell something, someone is not sell, because we are one people.
Oh,
So we split, yes.
that's so nice.
Yes, we work as that's how we say we are the B5 Corp.
Yeah,
Like what?
exactly.
There's an American group, an American filming company, which came here June 30, 2013. Amazing Race. You know Amazing Race?
Yeah,
They did their filming here.
they did.
They did their filming here. They was polishing some long giraffes like this. Right here. They came and shoot their films here. If you can Google Amazing Rex, you can see us, the Big Five Corp.
Wow.
Yeah, they come 30 June 2016.
Isn't
right
that
here,
something?
this place, with the big cameras
With a-
and active actors.
Ah, that's nice. I'm gonna have
So
to
where
do
are you
that.
from? Where are you from?
New York.
New York.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
New York.
Ah, that's good.
So I'm gonna put this on YouTube. So you guys are gonna be on YouTube too.
Okay. Yes, I'm a show one of the artists. So I put my YouTube so they will remember me when they come here.
Tell me your name again.
My full name is Kidakoshi Mashonganyika.
Oh, that's a
In
hard
short,
name.
so they call me Mashonga.
Mashonga.
Mashonga. Yes.
Thank you so much, Mashonga.
Thank you
very
very much.
gracious of you.
All right.
You guys are also very, very gracious.
All right, thank you.
Everybody's amazing. Thank you. Look at all these.
So this one you are making,
Yeah.
we curve, then we paint.
This is gorgeous.
Yes.
That is
Big
gorgeous.
fight, yes.
Beautiful,
This
beautiful
also
job.
is ironwood block. This is thick wood. This is olive wood.
Oh, this is
iron.
olive wood?
This is olive wood.
Wow.
All this olive wood. Yes.
It's not only the carving, even the painting is like really nice.
Yeah.
Who did the
sure.
painting?
So
Who does the painting? The girl?
I does the painting.
Hmm? Who?
I does the painting.
No.
Sure.
You painted that?
yes.
That's awesome.
Yes.
Oh my God, look at you. Awesome. Wow. I'm impressed. You are an artist. Oh my gosh. Very, very nice.
If I want to Google this on YouTube, how can I get it now?
You have an email?
Yes.
Give me your email. They look like cards.
They are.
Beautiful.
The bus is there.
Did you get anything?
No,
Yeah, you can go in the
I don't know what I want. It's too many things. I get overwhelmed when I see too many things. Look at this one. That's gorgeous. What happened to the other one? It broke. It's not finished yet. Oh, that's what it is. You're still working on it. Are you using kiwi? That's nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Beautiful.
Yeah,
You made that?
I'm the one who made this. This is the hippopotamus.
Yeah. What is it made of?
It's made of stone.
This is stone?
Yeah, this is stone, Vedite.
Oh, wow.
The very strongest stone. You find it in Mashonaland, Mashala. That's where we get this. Very far.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Is it hard to carve? How do you carve that?
I use the tools, the chisels. Yeah. I don't use machine on the stone.
Really? All by hand?
Really yes.
Wow.
Yeah. That one is my shop where you see that stonework. Yeah, I'm the one who makes this stonework.
So
bowls.
everybody does wood, you do stone, huh?
Yeah.
You're different.
We're different.
Beautiful. Thank you very much.
We need your support when we are here.
Yeah, I know. I know.
But else you can
The big five. That is so nice.
really
Thank you very much.
you, madam.
Look at this buffalo. Oh my God, it's awesome. They're very, very talented. Interesting place.